What's going on, dropshippers? Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my new favorite product research method, and I'm also going to be showing you a couple banger viral products that I found using this exact method. So I've made videos on product research before, but a lot of the methods I've shared are time intensive and a lot of the products on there actually get saturated. So the method I'm going to be showing you today not only opens up a blue ocean of unsaturated products, but it's super easy to find. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into my computer and I'm going to show you exactly how we can find these products with just a few clicks. But if you guys do get a ton of value from this video, make sure you drop that like button and subscribe to the channel. But all right, let's get into it. Alright guys, so the product research method I'm going to be showing you guys today is this tool called DROPISPY, and basically DROPISPY is the Facebook pixel helper on crack. So this makes our life really easy and we're able to sort through thousands of products rather than manually doing it. So basically once you get on the dashboard, it will look something like this, and if you don't have an account yet, make sure you click the first link down in the description because you're going to get a free little trial that you can start off with, and I guarantee you're going to be able to find some banger products. But basically how we can use this tool is there's so many different features for it. So we can come over to this filter things, and this is where we can set different parameters, and it's going to start sifting through thousands of different ads. So if we come over to this text section, we can search things by keywords. So let's say we want to look at something 50% off, we'll just type in 50 over here, and all these different Facebook ads are going to come up. And if we come over here, it has the date that it was posted and the last seen date. So that means that these ads are actually running right now, and it gets even crazier. If we come over here, we can just click this button over here and it's going to take us to the actual Facebook post, and this is going to give us a lot of invaluable data because we'll be able to actually judge the product based off the engagement it has, the comments and the shares, which makes it a lot better than just staring at random numbers. And that's only one feature of this tool. I'm sure we could scroll down here and find like tons of banger products, and if you see there's some products here that aren't like drop shipping ads, and there's a really easy way to get rid of that. We can just come over here to filter, and we could do something as simple as e-com platform, and then we could come to Shopify over here. So now it's only going to show us ads that are directing to a Shopify website. So we should see now that, yeah, all these are e-commerce stores. And one thing that you might see is that there's like tons of products, so it's going to be hard for you to pick which products you want to look at. So that's why we can come back to these filters over here and we can set up more parameters. And that's something I really like about this tool, is that we can just filter by these different reaction metrics. So for example, if we want to filter by like, okay, only show us ads with over 200 likes, then we can pop that in. And let's say, how about over, 200 shares also? Because if an ad shared, it definitely means that a lot of people are interested in it. And after we type that search in, we can see that it got a lot more refined and there's less products, but there's definitely a lot of bangers in this list. So this is just one way we can use the tool. We can come over and like check out all these products, see if they're products that we actually want to sell. And if we do see a product we like, we can just come over here and save it to our feed. I always recommend that anytime you get a cool product that you like, to just save it in your feed so you can come revisit it later. And I want to show you another really cool feature that we can actually take advantage of here, like this Hey Silky Skin ad. This is one of these really popular IPL lasers. So obviously we're going to be able to see the ad over here, which is great. But the problem is if we come over to Facebook ad library and we actually type their page name in, and basically the issue, if we type in Hey Silky Skin, it's only going to show us limited data. But what's really cool is if we come back over to DROPISPY and we come to the filters, we can actually search them up and we'll be able to see all their ads and click through to them, which is unlike the Facebook ad library where you actually can't view the engagement and metrics. So we could actually come over here and we could come to page name, type it in over here. Let's get rid of 50%. Let's do a search and we'll see like we have a whole library to all of their ads. So it's really good to figure out like what retargeting ads are they actually running and how many different variations of ads are running. Because one problem that I would find when I do the Facebook pixel trick is that I find one ad that's doing really well, but I couldn't actually see the whole library of ads to look through the engagement and to see if I actually wanted to sell it. but with this, it's an absolute game changer. You can literally find these in just a few clicks. Also, I forgot to mention, guys, but this tool is only like $14.99 a month. So literally, if you get one sale, it can pay this off. And I know other tools that do something similar, but they're $150 a month. So I never wanted to subscribe to them. But when I found this tool, I was like, okay, this is really nice. It's very affordable, and it just sorts through all of this BS so you don't have to waste your time. So actually now I want to show you guys my favorite parameters to go after when we're looking for products. So we can just go back into this search filter by, and we can do a post creation date in the last month. So we're going to make sure that we're searching for like new products that have a relatively blue ocean. So when we do see their ads ranking high with different engagement, we can look at it and be like, okay, this is like a brand new ad fresh off the chopping block. And then we can come in, build our stores, improve on what they're doing, and take most of their customers. So a few different ways we can do that is obviously search by post creation date. And then we're gonna want to set a couple more parameters up. So we already have Shopify over here, so that's really good. And then let's put our likes all the way up to like 500, and let's leave our shares at 200. The reason I'm actually doing this is because it's going to guarantee that the ads that are being shown to us are very hot ads right now, because if they have this many shares and this many likes and there's such a new ad, then they're guaranteed making like a bank ton of money. So we're going to search this and let's see what comes up. Okay, so this is really crazy engagement over here. Let's click through to this, and basically what this tool is, it's this like power scrubber over here, and it has 6,000 likes, which is nuts, because if we come over here, it's only gotten posted on September 5th. And guys, there's 793 comments and 2.2K shares. So what I like to do is I love to come over the comments and make sure that it's actually a good product. So if you just do a scan through the most relevant comments, make sure it's a good product. And then what we can do to even double validate this product is come to the newest over here. And what's gonna happen, it's gonna populate all the comments that recently got it posted. And why this is so important is the more comments that we're seeing on that post actually means the more traffic that's being sent to that ad, which means the more ad spent being sent on that ad, which means the more money the store is making. So I know that's a little complicated, but all you need to know is more comments equal more profit, and that's what we're looking for. So I'm gonna go through these comments, and we can see like there's over maybe like 30 comments in the last day, which is pretty nuts, to be honest. One concern I have with this product is a lot of these comments are like bilingual comments, but I'm still gonna show you what we can do after we've made sure there's like tons of comments on this product. We're gonna wanna make sure to click through to learn more. And it's really important that when we do see a product that's doing really well, we head over to their website and we check what they're doing right and check what they're doing wrong. Because if we do wanna sell this product, we definitely wanna analyze this over here. So we can see they have some cool gifts over here. So I think that really sells it. Like, you don't have to do that. Clean smarter, not harder. That's a really good headline. And then I think they have a pretty decent product page. I think they knocked it out of the park with this. It's really easy to read and it's really clean. I'm surprised they don't have any reviews over here. But one thing we're always gonna wanna do is when we do see a product like this, we're gonna wanna reverse image search it and try to find the AliExpress listing. So all you need to do is right click it on a Mac and you can do search Google for image. And what's gonna happen is they're gonna take that image and they're gonna broadcast that image to see if they can find it on other web pages. And generally we'll be able to see it on AliExpress within like the second page. So we can see Amazon link. So I'm gonna open one of those up, but let's see if we can actually find an AliExpress link over here. So I'm not seeing it on the third page. So what we can just do at this point is let's just actually open up a new tab and let's head over to AliExpress. So if we can't find it with that method, usually I'll just take the title and take some keywords from it and I'll type it into the AliExpress search bar over here. So let's see if we can actually find something. So as you see, guys, I don't know if you actually caught that, but this really caught my attention. And I actually saw this product before on DROPISPY, so that's why I wanted to bring this to your attention. But this website's selling it for $19.95. And if we come over here, it's $29.20 on AliExpress. And we might be able to find one like a little bit cheaper, like $17. But guys, something seems really off here. $19.99 for this product seems way too cheap, especially with free shipping, unless they're importing this from Alibaba and doing some like crazy logistic techniques. But I have hunch here. I have a hunch that this website over here is a fraudulent website because $19.95 just seems like a really crazy deal. So that's why I wanted to show you this, is because you'll find a lot of ads that are blowing up on this DROPISPY tool, but you need to do your due diligence to make sure you look through the ads and look through the product on AliExpress to make sure that it's actually a real product that's being sold on there and the price actually matches up. Because the other day I saw a real puppy being advertised on one of these ads, and basically the ad was saying that this is like a lifelike toy. Because just do your due diligence, guys, because a lot of these ads that are blowing up are fraud. I don't know how Facebook lets them get away with it, but if we come down here, we'll be able to find some ads that are actually legitimate. So we can see this closet underwear organizer over here. So let's check this one out. Let's hope this is not a scam store. Based in Hong Kong, so that actually looks pretty legit. So 5,000 likes, that's nuts. Tons of comments, tons of shares. So let's come over here, shop now, and we're gonna do the same process, and we're gonna see if we can find this product. Okay guys, so I actually found it on AliExpress. There's tons of different listings over here. So this is actually a winning product right now. Like, I would definitely recommend you test this out if the margins make sense. I don't know exactly how much it is. Okay, so it's $2.29. Let's make sure it's the right one. It's the long one over here. So yeah, you'd have to scroll through the variant. I believe it's this one, and women absolutely love these type of products that make their life easier and organize their closets. And that markup's pretty insane because they're selling this for $11.97 over here, and you can get it for like $3 shipped. I think they could have done a lot better job merchandising this. It's a decent product description, but it's just on the Brooklyn theme. But I definitely think that if you make some custom graphics, you could do exactly what they've done. And especially, they only have 4 reviews over here, which is kind of confusing because the AliExpress listing has like 86 reviews. So one thing that I actually recommend you do after you found a product that you're thinking about selling is that you try to find the same product on Amazon, and I'm gonna see what we can actually find on it. And the reason we're doing this is because Amazon actually has the most realistic customer reviews. So if it's a bad product, we'll be able to tell by the customer feedback. Usually we can't really tell that on AliExpress because a lot of the listing reviews are fake, and Amazon's done a really good job to keep their reviews 100% real. So I just typed the closet underwear organizer in over here, and unfortunately I'm only seeing this one listing for it. So that actually is kind of a good sign. It's kind of a bad sign. The good part of it means that this is definitely a new product, because I think this could be a really hot seller on Amazon, but I don't think it's hit that mass market yet. So it's kind of a blue ocean product that's yet to be really tested and scaled like crazy. But the downside of this is that we can't tell if it's a great product or not. But honestly, we can come over here. I bet the material's pretty decent on this. I only usually worry about that too much if it's like electronic or gadget type products, because those are the type of products that can absolutely bite you in the ass. Alright, so now that you guys have seen the method, let me show you guys some really cool products that I actually found using this exact method. So this is this product over here, and it's actually being advertised in Spanish. So I definitely think there's a huge market that hasn't been tapped to. But basically what this product is, it's like this towel with arm straps. So I think that's actually super clever, and it has some different pockets over here. So I definitely think a lot of females would really love this product, and even males, to be honest. So this is one of those really general products that could be scaled. And if we come over, the engagement's pretty decent over here, but I haven't seen this product advertised on any English dropshipping stores. So I've definitely checked this product out. It seems like a really cool viral product, and it really has that wow factor. And the next product I want to show you guys is this Quake charger. So I actually know someone who scaled this exact product to like 250K per month. So I can tell you this is a really viral product over here. We can see there's like tons of engagement, shares, comments, and I believe they have a really good website. We can come to their page, and they're on the turbo theme, I believe. So it's pretty simple at the end of the day, but it's a really good product page. I think they did a really good job keeping this page really clean. So I definitely think they knocked it out of the park with this page. And I definitely think this is one of those cool high ticket products, because what this product does, it basically like charges all your devices at once. So that's really cool for people who don't want to fumble around with all these different chargers, and you don't have to use any USB cables, which just makes people's lives really really easy. And the next product I'm gonna show you is these little foot things that you put on the bottom of your chairs. But I don't know about you guys, but whenever I'm moving my chairs, it scrapes up my beautiful floors. So this is definitely a product that people would really like because they don't want their wood or their tile or anything to be scratched up. And if we come to their website, what I like about it is that it is a low ticket product, so it's easy to get people to buy it. And one really cool part about this product is it's one of those bulk buy products. So you could literally have someone buy like 60 of these. Like they have a 72 pack over here that's $92. And it sounds crazy, but that's only like what, 20 chairs? And it's likely that a lot of people have that many chairs in their house if they have a bigger home, because this is one of those really cool products. Even though it's only $9 for one chair, if you stack it on, it just gets much more expensive. And I think there's a lot of improvement to be done on this product page. So this is definitely a cool product you can check out. And the next product I want to show you has been going absolutely viral. It's this Rage ZR Urban Legend sneakers. And what they are basically like this cool like Balenciaga style shoe. And I don't know if they private labeled these or not, to be honest. But when I went on their website, they looked like a very, very standard dropshipping store. And it didn't look like anything special at all. And I'm like 95% sure these are on AliExpress. But if you can't find them on AliExpress, I actually went on Alibaba and I found these for like $14.90. The only difference is they don't have these OEM logo over here, the Rage ZR. But if you check those margins out, guys, that's pretty nuts. $90, and you can grab them for $15 on Alibaba. Or if you're a big baller, you could go buy 100 pairs for $12.90. So there's a ton of margin in these products, and that just shows how easy this product research method was, because I literally found these products in less than 5 minutes. So I really do suggest that you do take advantage of this product research method by clicking the link down in the description. I'm definitely really happy I found this tool because it's made my product research a lot more efficient. And during Q4, I'm obviously trying to hit those big numbers. So it's gonna help me shuffle through tons of products without wasting my precious time on one of the most tedious tasks, which is finding viral products. And this can allow me to focus most of my time on building those banger stores and testing those ads. So I really hope you guys did enjoy this video and you're excited to test out this new product research method. And I hope you guys all crush it this Q4. If you did enjoy this video, make sure, like always, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It means the world to me. But I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and peace out.